very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Thursday the 10th of November. Quite a lot of news flow has come out so far today, so I'm only going to give you a couple of highlights in terms of what we have seen is higher equity markets led predominantly by a development in the Italian situation. Early comments suggested that the budget announcements will be approved this weekend on Saturday from Italy, according to their president, and also that Berlusconi will resign on Sunday, a little bit earlier than some of the speculation which had grown that it could well be pushed out toward elections in early New Year. That has seen the FTSE MIB outperform the Italian banks as well, showing some very stellar gains, up around 4 or 5% individually, and as such we've seen Bund futures on the back foot. In terms of some of the peripheral bond yield spreads, they were wider at the beginning of the session. However, we've heard of some very aggressive buying via the security markets program from the ECB. It seems as though they are coming to the market. Those spreads have come in, and the Italian 10-year domestic bond yield is now back below that key psychological 7% in which it breached yesterday. Take a look in terms of some of the other things. There's been a lot of rumours about potentially what the ECB could do to stem this crisis. There was some talk and unconfirmed chatter in reference to an emergency statement or meeting. However, that has not been the case so far, but something which we'll keep a very close eye on. And then in terms of the Bank of England, we've seen their rate decision. They've just come out and announced that they've kept rates on hold at 0.5% and the asset purchase facility kept at 275 billion. This was as expected by analysts, but nonetheless we did see a 30 pip spike on the announcement to the upside in somewhat a relief rally that they did not embark on any further quantitative easing after that surprise announcement that we heard last month. Looking forward then, the key things to look out for in terms of US data is the weekly jobs numbers and also the trade balance release. But Italy really remains the real focus here, so updates there are really taking key. And also the Greek PM role is still up for grabs. Later sources continue to indicate that Papademos, the ex-ECB member, looks the most favoured. That concludes though the wrap for this morning. We'll have another update this afternoon, but for the time being, have a great trading day.